This is Colton with Hummingbird Drones. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up your C10000 charger for a 240 volt on your generator. When you get the charger, it comes with two cords that have no end on them, and so I'm going to show you how to wire that up to a 240 plug. So we're going to start by stripping both these cords enough to where you can twist them together, and you want to make sure you take each color to itself. And you just want to twist them together. So then once you got that, you're going to want to get just a generic 240 volt plug, and we're going to take the red and black to the two middle prongs, and then the yellow and green to the top prong. So your red and black are going to be power, and then your red and green for neutral, or your, yellow and green for neutral. So we're just going to take the prong out, and we're going to slip these in there and tighten it down. So now that I got everything wired in, I'll show you kind of how I got it into the plug. So you can see black and red can be switched either way, but your green and yellow does need to be at the top. And in order to make room, I did remove this fourth prong since it won't be needed. And so I made room in the plug for that, for the rest of the cables, and then we can close her up and it should work. If you got any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.